Welcome to Indian automotive industry. Today we will discuss about Mahindra BE6 Pack. One features which ex-showroom price is 18 lakhs 90,000 only. Performance 19 kilowatt-hour battery pack, super fast charging capability, 20 to 80% in just 20 minutes with 140 kilowatt DC charger. Best-in-class power of 170 kilowatt. Electric power steering with variable gear ratio, 10 mere turning circle diameter, multiple driving modes with boost mode, multi-step regeneration including auto mode, one-touch single pedal drive, sonic suite with virtual engine sounds, I-link front suspension and 5-link rear suspension, MTV-CL technology, frequency-dependent damping, low rolling resistance, tires with NVH reduction, cruise control. Designed race-ready digital cockpit, illuminated logo, bi-LED headlamps with DRLs, LED tail lamps, premium fabric upholstery, stylish R18 wheels with aero covers, premium finish exterior cladding. Technology. Dual super screens, 12.3-inch by 2, Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Superfast 5G connectivity, pre-installed OTT, social media, news, shopping apps, BYOD in-car experience, connected features like cabin pre-cooling, scheduled charging, 4 speakers and 2 tweeters, built-in Amazon Alexa app. Comfort and convenience. Push-button start, spacious front and trunk, auto headlamps, range-sensing smart wipers, FATC with rear AC vents, height-adjustable driver seat and seat belt, tilt and telescopic steering, cool console storage, 65W Type-C fast charging ports for front and rear, 60-40 split in second row seats with 2-step recline. Smart climate control, Paw Pal pet mode and Camp Me camp mode. Acoustic laminated door glass. Safety 6 airbags. High stiffness body shell. All-wheel disc brakes. Brake-by-wire tech. Intelligent electronic brake booster with 46 value-added features. Driver drowsiness detection. Electronic parking brake. Rear parking sensors with HD camera. Low tire pressure indication. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, comment and subscribe.